Everyone, I'm Sachin Tale. I'm a spoken English trainer, and as a trainer, my job is to train people for spoken English. So people come to me, they have grammar issues, like they don't know grammar of English, or vocabulary problem, or hesitation problem, or they can speak but they have the fluency problem. They cannot speak fluently. So my job is to train them for English communication skills. Now I'm here to tell you one thing, that is, if you are a parent, if you have a child, and if you want your child to be able to talk in English, then I have good news for you. On upcoming Sunday, that is 17th of April 2022, we are going to have 2 hours free workshop for parents. It would start in the morning at 10 a.m., 10 to 12 on Sunday. So I want you to attend this workshop with your child. So what are we going to cover? What are we going to learn in these 2 hours? That's what I'm going to tell you now. See, we will be learning what are the different techniques of learning English language. Number one, see, being able to talk in English in today's world, this competitive world, is very, very important. Now, as a parent, what is your role in your child's communication skills? Means, which kind of habits, what kind of habits you should develop in your child, or you should inculcate in your child, that you should know, so that you will be able to do that. And that's how your child will be able to learn English and will be able to speak in English. So in these 2 hours, number one thing, we will learn different techniques of learning language. Number two, if you want your child to learn English from me, if you want your child to learn communication skills from me, then what do I have to offer? What kind of results I have produced? What is my qualification? My experience? I'll be sharing everything with you, so that you will be able to take that decision. You'll be able to see me, the trainer. If you want your child to be mentored by me, then what do I have to offer? That's what you will be getting to know in the workshop. So it is going to be on Sunday. Let me repeat. That is 17th of April 2022, from morning 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. 2 hours. And let me tell you the address. It is behind Sharma Petrol Pump, near Khamgav Urban Bank, Daryapur. So thank you so much.